Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My son is gonna have his very first haircut done today. I am super excited. No, I'm not excited. Hello. I don't want him to get a haircut, but he wants one.
Yes, because she's just scared. She's jealous of my hair and she doesn't want it to go away.
What? That's not the case, you guys.
Yes, it is.
I'm not jealous of his hair. You guys see mine, right? He got box braids in his hair right now. So let's take it down. Look how excited he is. Okay. Alright, let me do it the long way now.
Guys, subscribe, please.
So y'all, I got rained on. It's raining right now. Hold on, let me see. I think this is a sign for my son not to get his hair cut.
No. She's just trying to get away from the barber shop so she doesn't have to see me. So she doesn't have to cut my hair.
Y'all, this is a sign. It's definitely a sign. We might have to just go back upstairs. I hate driving in the rain, you guys. I'll see you guys when I get there. I should be there in 15 minutes. So I'll see y'all. Excited to get your hair cut. I don't know why you ready for it.
If I won't be called a girl in school.
You won't be called the girl?
Yes.
Look, come here, let me show them your hair. Turn them. Let me show them this part. I'm a little extra. Yes.
It's so long now.
Your brother about to get his hair cut.
Make sure you just don't get the next one. Make sure you don't get my neck.
Only the hair on your scalp, huh?
Only here, right here, like this.
He know what he doing.
Not here. Yeah, that's where I want to keep.
Okay, so look, I gotta get back out here. I have to, because the kind of haircut you get the haircut. Damn.
Oh, see, that's all that neck. Mm.
Right, this house.
Mm. Oh my God, my heart. Oh my God. Oh. Hold on, before you go crazy, cut that one braid out.
Cut what?
That one braid out.
Don't cut it out.
No, cut it out.
Oh, y'all
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
cut it out. I'm getting to it. I just
Oh my God.
messing up my video.
I'm sorry.
Hey, yo, with all commentary.
Don't fear, remember, baby, don't be scared. You'll find me in this planet's void. Don't come on and stroke me all night. Tell
They got thick hair too.
what I've been waiting for. Love me so hard. I'll never go. Maybe you'll stop on by, kiss me on the mouth. Maybe you'll be a brother.
You got enough for him. I'm gonna add some fake hair too, okay?
Come on now, we ain't doing that to my boy. No, sir, we ain't doing that to my boy. No.
Please.
No. They was like, no.
He had to have since he was little.
Yeah, that's 8 years worth of growth.
Really? Oh my
I think I only trimmed his ends like 2 or 3 times. Yeah.
So you tired? So you tired of the hair?
He's tired of everyone calls him a girl, that's why he's tired of being called a girl, yeah.
Okay.
And itchy.
Yeah. And then you ain't gotta keep getting nobody to pull on because you hurt. No.
In this planet's void, don't come on and stroke me all night. Tell me what I've been waiting for. Love me so hard, I'll never go. You find me in this planet's void.
Ooh, look at him from the side.
It's coming together, Mom. Now you starting to like your dad.
Huh?
Say, now you starting to like your dad.
Whatever. Yeah, ain't nothing. He just.
Okay.
Maybe you'll go and turn me inside out. Maybe you'll turn around and leave a lover's note. Maybe you'll remember to put your fingers there. Pull out, don't fear, remember, baby, don't be scared. You find me in this planet's void. Don't come on and stroke me all night. Tell me what.
Daddy now, Mom.
No, he don't. You just trying to make.
Like your daddy now.
No, he don't. You just trying to make him feel good.
Ah, that's a fact, man.
Nah, what? Just a second ago, them jeans were strong. What happened?
Boy, with the hair off, it's just, oh no, you still got him, Mama. It ain't no DNA testing. You know what I mean?
Can't pronounce. Pull out, don't fear, baby, that's what it's about. You find me in this planet's void. Don't come on.
You like him, Mama Girl?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Waiting for love me so hard, I'll never.
I could be your best friend, the hand you wanna hold, the one that looking into the river in your home. I could be your sex, the wind that in your soul, the body need the soul, need to cover when it's cold. Pulling in the sheets, take really control. The only love I need when inside your home. Tell me how it feels, with the skin's tight. Baby, give the